Sus Mariosep kayo. Ang korupsyon dito sa itaas, pinakamalaking korupsyon, gobyerno. Yung mga tax exemption, ng donut, hanggang yun. From 4 billion to 4 million. Lopez Group of Companies. Pagkatapos ni Marcos, they borrowed money sa DBP. Kaya ang DBP gumanon eh. Tagal na rehabilitate. Humina. The Lopez Group of Companies never paid a single centavo. It was condoned by the government. Who condoned it, who authorized it, I really do not know. But maybe one of these days I'll start to dig. Why do you have to give away money to people who are rich? Tapos mag-publish ng mga newspaper with all their protestations and all their grievances for the poor and for it's hypocrisy. Lahat yan sila. Pati newspaper. Alam mo na kung ano.